यहाँ से और चढ़ाइए और फिर पहुंच जाएंगे।
After the terrorist attack, the trail to Baisaran Valley looked like that. But in 2023,
यहाँ से और चढ़ाइए और फिर पहुंच जाएंगे।
I walked it without fear. That same 5.5 kilometer stretch leading to the valley where 28 innocent civilians were murdered on 22nd April 2025.
Good morning.
It was around 6 a.m. on 14 November 2023. The sky still had those dawn colors, and I followed the signboards that pointed the way to mini Switzerland. A peaceful trail, for sure, but one that was completely exposed. From what I remember, Pahalgam, the bustling resort town, used to have a security presence. But once you step onto that narrow trail to Baisaran, there were none along the entire trek. And maybe that is what made it vulnerable.
आओ भाग के।
Baisaran lies in the southeast of Pahalgam, so you cannot drive there. You can either walk, take a pony ride, or try a local bike ride for just the initial muddy tracks. The rest is through dense forest and slippery stones and an extremely steep climb. I also met some locals who helped me with the route that day. I took nearly an hour to get to the top with barely a stop, and there were no alternate access routes. Even the gate to the valley had no forces there, just a man sitting to give out tickets.
चढ़ाई करने के बाद finally
In Srinagar, there's a soldier almost every 100 meters. But here, in the Baisaran Valley, there was none of that. And strangely, it didn't feel off then.
ये भी होता है यहाँ पे।
Maybe because it looked too peaceful to ever make it to a terror radar. Until 22nd April 2025, tourists were trapped, questioned about their religion, and shot. Even a local pony rider who tried to intervene was killed. There was no immediate help, no protection on the trail, despite the fact that Baisaran sees hundreds of visitors every single day. The terrain was the plan. It gave them time, cover, and control. Back in 2023, when I stood in the middle of that vast green meadow, all I saw was beauty. But all I can think now is just, was someone already walking that trail then, watching, waiting, and planning?